What's going on YouTube? I haven't made a stock video in so long. Sorry about that. I was finishing my last semester as a mechanical engineer. I had to do what I had to do. But I did post on my Instagram a challenge, a small account challenge. Do people want to see it? And a pretty good response wanted it. So I started with $150, and this was about May 22nd. I deposited, and I'll show you my end result. And you see, there are down periods, there are up periods, and I am up, I'd say 26%, 27%. However, I have this call option that pretty much is illiquid because there's no bids right here. So let's say that I do not have any liquidity and I'll just let that expire zero. I'm still up about, let's see, minus 20. I'm still up 107 or $20 above the $150. But yeah, I'm gonna just kind of go in and show you which stocks that I traded to get to this point. Go to account history. All right, first trade, an epic fail. Spent $19 on average down on some calls for Cron. If you look at the expiry, I don't even know what I was doing. I shouldn't have been buying something that was expiring so fast. That kills your theta. And also, I was doing technical analysis on like a swing trade, even though it was a day trade. So that was complete failure on that point. My neck, and I think that was a $13 loss because I spent $19, but was only able to, I think, sell about $13 worth. I mean, $3 worth. Next, you have Booz Allen Hamilton. They've been doing pretty well. I bought some calls just for cheap. I only bought them cheap because I wanted to scalp and do a quick flip. However, there's no liquidity on it, so I just got to hold it out. And I still got some time. I got a month and a half on that. But this is the moment y'all been waiting for, the profitable trades. I've always heard about credit spreads, selling options, and I was like, you know what? I want all the money. I want the big bang for my buck. I want huge results. I never wanted to sell options for real. I always would buy just naked options when I started trading back in November. However, that led me to a second blown account. This is where you starting to get those highly probable consistent trades, y'all. Credit spreads. So I do a credit spread on the SPY, which is a Standard and Poor 500, the most highly liquid equity, and also has the expirations Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. You can take so much advantage of the state of decay, y'all. I sell these credit spreads a day before their expiration, and it starts out as a credit. It'll fluctuate. Obviously, it can honestly go up to like $20. I sold this credit at 15. I might have seen it at $22, but no matter what, later that day it reached a lower value, and I sold it for $9. I didn't. I should have maybe just held it to expiration, etc. But I've had a lot of experience with trading, and I know that I have to secure my profits. Next, we have a credit spread on SPY. Again, consistency, y'all. Only trading one. That's all you need, man. Just trade one equity. Sold it at 19th credit. Bought it back for $3. That's a $16 profit, y'all. Another SPY credit. $17. So that for or bought that back for $3 for a net profit of $14. And lastly, this credit spread I have for on IQ, $11. Expired zero. Full profit, y'all. My first full profit credit spread. $11. And I have a one swing trade left. The GameStop put. Saw them sell a lot. Bought it at 24. I think I'm currently at value of $21. So I haven't profited off of that one, but y'all, I've been on very small position sizes. You have to be on small position sizes, small accounts or large accounts. I'm thinking about 10% all the way down to 5%. That's your position size per trade. Take it very easy, take it very slow, and please, y'all, get into highly probable trades, preferably debit spreads and credit spreads. Hope y'all enjoyed this. This is just a quick video to show you that I was able to make. For sure I made $20, but potentially um, if this Booz Allen Hamilton contract actually has some sort of value or the same value right now, I would have made $40 over a 2 week span. So happy trading, y'all. I'm gonna keep y'all updated on this.